Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Cardano drop, SundaeSwap flop. Beginning of its rally of late, several other cryptos have taken ADA's downtrend as a huge advantage to perform strongly more and more. Particularly, Solana or Sol garnered huge momentum and has presently flipped Cardano within the space of the top 10 cryptos. According to a report, Cardano's native token ADA has its price dropped by over 40% in the market. The drastic price drop commenced from Cardano's all-time high when it was nearly changing hands for good in terms of price action. Technically, like how people thought that the launch of Cardano's much-anticipated smart contract will bring something better, eventually, it seems that it's just toying around. Many attribute ADA's underpriced action to some of its pieces of infrastructure that got delayed during the launch. With this, lots of developers can't release their dApps built on the Cardano blockchain for now. But before we dive deeper, like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell right now. Because if you don't, all of your crypto investments will drop down and will never be revived. Don't want that to happen, right? So just keep on watching. Going back, the Cardano project has not had any market-moving news in recent times. There has been news regarding the project investing in smaller Cardano-focused startups. However, nothing has created hype around the project. Its foray into the decentralized finance or DeFi space has been delayed because although the blockchain is now capable of supporting smart contracts, building the protocols required to provide decentralized finance services to users takes time to build. Developers have been working hard on deploying their decentralized applications or dApps on the network, and the Cardano Foundation has provided support to these projects. But it'll take a while before there are enough working DeFi protocols in the blockchain to draw in users to carry out DeFi activities on the network. If the digital asset does not see any significant improvement in support and momentum, then ADA may run the risk of falling below $2. Its community boasts some of the strongest hold sentiment with over 70% of its total supply currently staked. However, without significant amounts of money coming into the asset, it is likely to continue a downtrend that may see the price retest the $1.7 range. Some analysts would have you believe that Cardano is primed for a recovery. An 18% surge in the price earlier this week may have encouraged them but offered a bumpy return to earth as the price dropped 4%. The news that leading exchange eToro said it was delisting the crypto in the US by the end of the year just helped push the coin price further down. On the plus side, the ADA token did make its debut on Bitstamp, the European cryptocurrency exchange in November. For the longer term, the Cardano forecast from Wallet Investor was more bullish, predicting that the average price could kick 2022 at $2, climbing to $4.1 by the end of 2022, and by the end of 2026 hit $12.1. The ADA coin price prediction from Digital Coin projected that the price could average $3.02 in 2022, up from $2.44 in 2021, and climb to an average of $4.87 in 2025. It predicted that by 2028, the coin could average $7.32. If Cardano price manages to slice above the aforementioned resistance, ADA would face further headwind at the 50-day SMA at $2.11, then at $2.15, the November 11th high. According to the IO map, until the Ethereum killer manages to break above $2.18, the token may continue to face tough challenges ahead, with little room for bigger bullish aspirations in the near future. Meanwhile, Cardano is seeing its ecosystem grow with a myriad of new projects, one of which being the DEX SundaeSwap, which is almost ready to launch its ISO. Among the DEXs on Cardano, SundaeSwap is the most anticipated. With their 200,000 followers on Twitter, they dwarf the followers of other DEXs like MintSwap with 30,000 and Maladex at 10,000. To make a comparison with Ethereum, Uniswap has 700,000 followers, although it has existed for years. SundaeSwap is a decentralized exchange or DEX that's quite reminiscent of the likes of BNB's PancakeSwap or Ethereum's SushiSwap. While being possibly one of the first Cardano dApps to be ready for public use, it has captured the curiosity of many from the community. SundaeSwap provides all the data you need to stay informed about cryptocurrencies. You can find cryptocurrency charts for more than 10,000 coins. It's focused on bringing transparency and accountability to market data aggregation. We work with exchanges and cryptocurrency networks to provide accurate data to our valued users. SundaeSwap enables users to track the performance of their coins using real-time market data. In addition to tracking, SundaeSwap provides many tools to help users succeed in the constantly changing crypto market. Meanwhile, SundaeSwap announces testnet launch. In the run-up to Alonzo's launch, many dApp projects have come forward to announce their intent to build on Cardano. Prominent names include Liquid, Charlie3, ADAX, and SundaeSwap to name a few. But SundaeSwap, with its fun food-themed take on marketing, reminiscent of the likes of BNB's PancakeSwap or Ethereum sushi swap, has seemingly captured the imagination of the Cardano crowd. To that end, it looks as though SundaeSwap will be one of the first Cardano dApps ready for public use. The project said the purpose of its testnet is to iron out issues in a live environment using public tester. Everyone wants to know where and when to get their Sundae tokens. In interviews, the development team has said the ICO will go live when the DEX itself goes live. While no hard date was given for the DEX, SundaeSwap has handed code into an industry-leading code auditing company, Runtime Verification. With the PAB set to come to mainnet this month, it's safe to say we should see the DEX live before the new year. The continued in-depth communication between SundaeSwap and the community has been refreshing. Criticism or praise, it's clear the team is listening. Users who want Sundae tokens will be able to stake their ADAs in a staking pool that will be specially created for this ISO. Thus, instead of receiving the classic staking rewards in ADA, the participating users will receive Sundae instead, distributed by SundaeSwap, which on its side will keep only these ADA from the staking rewards for its financing. The reward in Sundae will of course be proportional to the amount of ADA put into play by the user. The minimum amount of ADA to be staked corresponds to the minimum amount of ADA needed to delegate them to a classic staking pool. Unfortunately, delayed for legal reasons and a real concern of regulatory compliance of the team, but which proved to be real breaks to innovation. The ISO of SundaeSwap should still take place during the third quarter of 2021. The participants of this ISO will take full advantage of the new capabilities of a network in true POS. The main aim of this launch is just to figure out the bugs and coding errors in the project so that the development team can fix the issues on the Cardano mainnet. And also, this initiative of the SundaeSwap Labs will help the core development team of the Cardano network, Input-Output Hong Kong Global or IOHK, to find the possible change to adjust the performance metrics of the Cardano network under the heavy load of the crypto projects. Cardano network presents a progressive, creative, and innovative approach to the development of blockchain technology. Furthermore, with a slow and steady mindset, the Cardano network is launching its fully operational features in 5 stages. As such, with its original approach to development and focus on energy efficiency, SundaeSwap Labs believes that Cardano is the best blockchain to deploy SundaeSwap DEX. Furthermore, with a large user base eagerly anticipating the launch of the Goguen phase, SundaeSwap Labs aims to capture this market and provide a seamless and efficient way to transact and exchange cryptocurrencies. Also, SundaeSwap offers some of its participants the opportunity to earn a passive income with decentralized finance or DeFi. SundaeSwap holds the potential to become the Uniswap on Cardano. The project has some major obstacles to overcome first. On-chain projects such as Solana, Algorand, Elrond are already having dApp support on their network. That said, despite anything that'll happen, there is more hope for Cardano to regain its full strength than ever before. Will Cardano return to its old ways and perhaps even new highs? Do you think SundaeSwap has the potential to become the leading Cardano DEX? Let's know your thoughts about this video in the comment section below.